Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account in few seconds. So this is very simple. You just have to go to your profile page and click on the three-line button and go to settings and privacy. Right after that, you just have to go to account center where you can change your password or security, and right after that you have to go to personal details. So here is the option. You can see account ownership and control. Just click on this and click on this. So here are the two options, that is deactivating the account or deleting the account. So deactivating the account means just taking a break from Instagram, just temporarily just deactivating the account. And deleting account means just it is permanently deleting your Instagram account. So you just have to choose delete account and give a reason and continue. So in this way you just can delete your account. Thanks for watching the video, and please follow for more contents. Thank you.